All right, section 3.6, example 1, part A. So f of x equals 2x plus 1. Here is our parent function. This is the main function. And then a and b are going to be other functions that are like family functions. They're a family to this, but this is the parent one. So we're going to graph g of x equals f of x minus 3. Describe the transformation from the graph of f to the graph of g. Well, first, I'm going to graph f of x 2x plus 1. That's the same, you guys, as saying y equals mx plus b, right? So we know it's crossing the y-axis at the 1. And if its slope is 2, it's going up 2 and over 1, or down 2 and to the left 1. Remember? You can go either way. Okay, so there's my parent function. Now, they are subtracting 3 from that function. And because this is not inside the parentheses, it's outside the parentheses, that minus 3 means that this graph is going to shift downward. If it was plus 3, it would go up, but it's negative. So because it's negative, we're going to go down, 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 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And same thing for all of my other spots. I can go down 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there is the g of x graph. That's my new graph. It's parallel, and it's crossing the y-axis at a negative 2. Right? If I did 1, because I could rewrite this g of x equals, what is f of x? Well, f of x is 2x plus 1 minus 3, 2x minus 2. And y equals mx plus b. What is b? Y-intercept, negative 2, and there it is, crossing at the negative 2. Now, example B is slightly different because it says they're subtracting 3 inside the parentheses. Now this is not going to be an up and down change. It's going to be a left and right. It's a horizontal change. Okay? So once again, I'm going to put my original function, which crossed at the 1, and it had a slope of 2. So 1, 2 over 1. Okay, there's the parent function. And I'm moving horizontally 3 units. So I'm going to take this point and go 1, 2, 3. I can take this one and go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's parallel. There's my new graph. I just moved all of my points 3 units in the negative direction, except I did that wrong. It is not going in the negative direction. Now remember this forever because I messed it up. I'm going to learn from my mistakes. When it's inside the parentheses, we don't go we're going to do the opposite direction. I know that sounds so weird, but because that's a negative 3, we're going to go in the positive direction to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, can't see that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I didn't make my lines all that perfect, but that's okay. I'm drawing it. And there's my new line. Hope you can see that from over there. And my description of this transformation is we transferred the parent function, the original function, we shifted to horizontally to the left in the positive direction.